Have a great Tuesday, friends. This is Alexey. With August knocking on our doors, remember that my weekly market updates never go on vacation. As usual, you get the latest news right on time. No payment, no ads. And now let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. From cars and e-bikes to household appliances and wearables, semiconductors are an integral part of electronic systems. They are the motor that drives the modern world of technology. Bosch recognized their growing significance early on and has now announced investment of further billions of euros in order to strengthen its own semiconductor business. By 2026, Bosch plans to invest another 3 billion euros in its semiconductor division as part of the funding program on microelectronics and communications technology. One of the projects Bosch plans to fund with this investment is the construction of two new development centers in Reutlingen and Dresden, at a combined cost of over 170 million euros. In addition, the company will spend 250 million euros over the coming year on the creation of an extra 3,000 square meters of clean room space at its wafer fab in Dresden. US chipmaker onsemi agreed to invest $1 billion into building a new research center and manufacturing facility in South Korea to produce power chips by 2025. The new site could create 500 jobs. Alongside with the plant, onsemi will purchase 350 billion won worth of raw materials, equipment and components from local suppliers. SEMIKRON and ROHM Semiconductor have been collaborating for more than 10 years with regards to the implementation of silicon carbide inside power modules. Recently, ROHM's latest fourth generation of silicon carbide MOSFETs has been fully qualified in SEMIKRON's IMEC modules for automotive use. Hence, both companies serve worldwide customers' needs. In the future, SEMIKRON also plans to use ROHM's IGBTs in modules for industrial applications. Soitec has selected KLA Corporation, a leader in process control and advanced inspection systems, to enable high-yield manufacturing of innovative silicon carbide devices for the automotive industry. Soitec leverages its unique and patented SmartSiC technology to produce silicon carbide substrates, which aim to improve the performance of power electronics devices and boost electric vehicles' energy efficiency. Based on its track record of using KLA's inspectors for its silicon-on-insulator wafers, Soitec has extended its partnership with KLA and selected the SurfScan SPA2 unpatented inspection system for its SmartSiC wafers. Belgium-based semiconductor research organization Inter-University Microelectronics Center has agreed to provide technical support to create a semiconductor ecosystem in India. According to officials from the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Inter-University Microelectronics Center, which is known as an intermediate research organization in the world of semiconductor fabs, will also develop talent and research abilities in the country. Talk to the experts at Bodo's Bandgap talk. Join his virtual roundtable focused on Bandgap technology. This virtual open discussion goal is to keep the dialogue going on, independent of any events that are hosted on fixed dates. These expert talks are built on the articles Bodo published in his magazine, giving everyone the chance to ask questions to the experts out of the industry. The next event is scheduled for tomorrow, July 27. Find more information and register for the expert talk at Bodo's Power Systems magazine website. Silicon power devices have dominated power electronics due to their low-cost volume production, excellent starting material quality, ease of fabrication, and proven reliability. Although silicon power devices continue to make progress, they are approaching their operational limits, primarily due to their relatively low bandgap and critical electric field that result in high conduction and switching losses and poor high-temperature performance. In this webinar, the favorable material properties of silicon carbide, which allow for highly efficient power devices with reduced form factor and cooling requirements, will be outlined. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.